Hello Queenie people and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I asked you last week on my YouTube what would you like to see in my videos next, and you all voted for crochet dreads. So today I will be showing you how I created mine, and let's start with this video. For my video I will be using already created pieces because I'm really bad at doing crochet. I don't know if I pronounced it correctly, please comment below if I did, but I'm really bad at this, and this is a really good technique if you're good with it. Of course you can create different patterns to create the dresses that are really fitted for the body. I am really bad at this, so I usually always work with the pieces that somebody has already done. Fashion cells do stand for sustainability, so we are using something I already purchased I think I got this in secondhand shop, and it's an amazing piece. This is something that somebody has added so many hours to achieve, and I cut it in pieces to create the dress. I know. Anyways, it became actually really nice. The most important things you have to think about is that every single piece will be unique, and you can just play with these pieces and place them whatever you like and how you like. I wanted to make it as easy as possible to create and to put on and take off, as well as I really wanted to cover the breast, the front piece of my item parts, and of course the back piece as well. So these are the main things that I did. And then I also, if you want, once you pin it to your doll, if you want you can sew it by hand, but I was too lazy. So what I did is I actually just pinned all of it from the doll to the pieces, and then I sew it with my sewing machine, and this is how the outcome became. Of course I needed to use my pattern skills, so any skirt that I create, anything that I usually do, I always think about the incisions, because I really wanted to form the dress or the piece that I'm creating that fits amazing for me and myself and my body. So for me it's really important that I know how to bend the fabric so it really forms and fits my body. So that's why I added 2 incisions on the back, and I created 2 incisions on the sides just to create more of a waist, and also to cover the pieces with these beautiful trims. And the last step is to cut all of the tiny little threads that you have it on. Unfortunately I did sew this with the sewing machine because I was very lazy this day, but the outcome actually really looks beautiful and it looks really good on. I'm a person who don't feel very comfortable to share this type of items to the social media, so I will not be wearing this. This is something that I would definitely wear if I go on a vacation as a bikini cover up, not something that I will wear out for dinner. We at Fashion Cells do stand for sustainability, so this is the perfect way to recreate some of the old crochet pieces that you have, or you can also go to a secondhand shop. There is tons of them, and the crochet is pretty trendy at the moment, so you will not go wrong with this. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful and useful, and I hope I inspire you to create one of your own. If I did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I really hope to see you in my next video, so stay tuned and see you soon again. Hej då!